Hi, David Martindale here. Today I'm going to show you a follow-up on a gutter guard, Costco gutter guards that I installed 3 years ago. So hang tight and we'll get started. So this is my upper section of roof, and it has had some rain. We've had some rain in the last week or so, so there's still some spots where there's some moisture, but for the most part, this blower just blows the fir needles right off. If it's damp, sometimes they stick, and you might need to use a broom or something to get that off. But this is these Easy on gutter guards now. It's been 3 years since I installed them, and I'm still just as happy with them as I was the day or the first year I put them on. So it's great. I don't have to reach my hand in the nasty gutter and pull out all the sludge and garbage in there. It's just a simple blow the roof off, and you can see down below there the next section of roof. I've got a lot of pine needles. There's a couple big fir trees over that area. So the fir needles come down on it abundantly. The leaves have started falling a little bit, but really not too many on the roof yet. I'm sure I'll have to come up and clean the leaves off in another month or so once all the oak leaves start falling. But all in all, the gutter guards are fantastic. I recommend them highly. They keep the sludge out or garbage out of the gutters, and they don't get crammed up and backed up. And this is it after I've cleaned them. You can see a little moss along the edges that clings to the gutter and the roof, and with a broom you can clean that off. Well, I hope that was some good follow-up information for you, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do that. Click the bell icon, and then every time I come out with a new video, you'll be notified. Thanks a lot. You have a great day.